Hello guys, in this video we will upgrade this tower. Now again you can see this is upgraded, this fully upgraded. I mean the tower, not this magician. I am full upgrade of this, as well this, and this, and that, and that. And I upgraded this both, and I almost upgraded this, but the hero thing I should upgrade. At the end of this video, I will upgrade that. So I can play on campaign. In my last video, I play on Minecraft, right? That not Minecraft, that Minecraft. So in this video, we will beat this in until room. Okay, that to room. Okay, with that. In the end of this video, I will upload that, and make sure to like and subscribe on our video. But guys, I only have 8 subscribers. My main goal is 20. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Subscribe or unsubscribe. It's free. Now let's play. Ooh, Minecraft. Oh, no, at all. I should buy some things like this and this. Hmm. No, and that and that only. What if wizard versus wizard? Hmm. Boo. Hmm. Let's fight wizard versus wizard. Oh no, this is not unfair. This is unfair. Alright guys, this is really unfair. We should do that. That. Hey, you're a piece of. Now where's really wizard? We really go in there. Now we're all just gonna use wizards. Now let's see what happens if in the wizard hub. Oof. Ooh! Can you look at those things? They're mining with diamonds. We should get 6 of wizards. Magicians! I mean we should get 8. 8. Well, this is unfair. I'm gonna summon a leader again. Now and then, if one of them die, they will summon aid again. That will be unstoppable. Infinite army. Now I'm gonna shit. Now I'm gonna again. Now prepare for the king. What the? No, guys, can you see the wizard there? I can see the red thing there. No, they are they're like a ghost, but anyways, let's attack some bros. Oh, no, look at those. I think my server is crashing. Not crashing, lagging maybe. My my war is lagging. No, you can see I am doing some poggers. You can see we never died. We never died. Unstoppable. Look at this. We never died. Ooh. Now, of course, maybe. Oh no, maybe they call reinforcement again. If they will doom again. But, oh yes, they call it. Very good. Very good. Fabulous. Fabulous again. Haha. Legends never die. Now, guys, let's play again. In this match, we will just summon giants. No, maybe not giants like this summon all swordmen. Woo! All of this is swordmen, okay? Except miners. 5 miners. Shit! Looks like guys, we doesn't have to destroy the tower. We just have to fight. Ah! Oh, look at that! I've shot menace. Swordman. Can I speed the please? Oh, look at that! Yeah. Do you think we will give up? Huh? Wizard. Oh no. Legends never die. Look at this legend. Wow. We never lose hope. Lose never hope. Never lose hope. Never lose. Why the wizard keep doing the hiding thing? I hate that. Please. No. We're doomed, but never give up. We are never give up first army. Woo! Now, guys, we're in the moon. So, if this and three more battles. Mhm. Puro. Goodbye. We won. Now, now I have now now my cat is in my back. Guys, can we have a shout out? Guys, can we have a comment? Cat, 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 cat. Now, our main goal is destroy the enemy's castle. Woo! Kita mababay ka kinyak ning. Nangkulat. Well, you guys heard that Ming Ming is my cat is just in my addition na tabik. Can we have a shout? Comment cat. I know they have this.